Hi everyone. Okay, we're back with another West Coast Sweat tutorial. This time it's Dandayamana Vibhaktipada Jani Shavasana. So I love this posture because this is a compression posture. You may think it may seem like it's a stretching, but it's compression, and there's so many benefits in this posture. So I'm here today with Lily and Abby. So let's get started, yeah? So hopefully we're gonna break this down and you are gonna learn to love this posture if you already don't. Okay, all right, let's start. Toes and heels together, bring your arms over your head. So here's a couple of really key things. Palms touch, cross your thumbs. You must lock your elbows right here and really stretch up towards the ceiling like you are gonna touch the ceiling. Already, this is the setup. Right foot step to the right, big step, 3 feet. Now turn to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Beyond your flexibility. Now make sure your left foot is at a 45-degree angle. This is a really good tip so that you're really stretching the hip flexor right there. Keep the elbows locked. Stretch all the way up. Exhale, breathing. Tuck your chin to your chest. You go down. So go down. Yes. Now touch your forehead to your knee. If you cannot touch your forehead to your knee, bend your knee as much as you need to. The forehead must touch to the knee. So this posture truly is a combination of rabbit pose and balancing stick. Pull your stomach muscles in, look at your stomach, try to get your forehead higher on your knee. Really stretch your arms more forward. Yes, it feels so good. This is great compression on the thyroid, so really good if you have any endocrine system issues that you need support with. Right here, you got it, Abby. Pull your stomach muscles in. Push, bring all of the body weight to your front leg. Push your right hip up, left hip forward. This is good, Lily. 2 hips in one line. Go for it. Lock your knee, lock your knee, lock your knee. Change. Great. Arms and head together. Yes, come up. Really good work. So good. Turn to the right. Step. Arms down by your side. So what do you think? Do you have any questions? Post them in the comments below. This is a wonderful posture, and we hope you love it just as much as we do, and you feel not only great in your body, but the therapeutic benefits that come from this posture. So, what do you think? Post a question if you have one, and we'll see you on your mat. Take care.